Ready to use your Poly Edge IP phone with confidence? We'll show you how to navigate its features and use its most helpful tools. Device Overview. Let's take a moment to look at the phone's layout and where everything's located. On the left is your handset, and on the right is your display screen and keypad. You'll notice a few more buttons that help you jump straight into useful features, like your navigational arrow keys, voicemail, headset, speakerphone, physical mute, and hold and transfer buttons. Your phone also includes physical volume control buttons. These buttons adjust different audio levels depending on what you're doing. If the phone is ringing, the buttons will adjust the ringer volume. If you're on a call using the handset, they'll control the handset volume. If you're using the speakerphone, the buttons will adjust the speaker volume. The display screen is your main source of information. When the display is idle, you will see the time and date, your location and extension, the part keys, and the page key. The buttons below the screen are your soft keys. These buttons will change depending on the current activity of the phone. Making and receiving calls. To dial an outbound call, you do not need to dial 9. Simply begin dialing the number by entering a phone number on the keypad and pick up the handset, or press the speakerphone button to start the call. Call information such as the dialed number and call duration will be visible on the screen. You will have access to additional soft key options while in your conversation. To answer an incoming call, pick up the handset or press the speakerphone button. Hold. While on a call, you can place a caller on hold by pressing the physical hold key or pressing the hold soft key. The caller is immediately placed on hold, showing the word hold on the display screen, as well as the caller ID and call duration. To pick the call back up, press the resume soft key or press the blinking extension key. Call park and pick up. The call park feature on your phone allows you to place a call on hold and then resume the call from any other phone in your location. The buttons on the left of the screen are programmed for call parking. To use this feature, while on a call, place the call on park by pressing the button next to Park 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. A red light will display to indicate the call is parked and on hold. You can now go to any phone in your location and retrieve the call by pressing the button next to the number where the call was parked. Page. To begin an overhead page, lift the handset and press the page button on the display. After pressing the button, you will hear an alert tone. After the tone, you may begin announcing your message. To complete the page, hang up the phone or press the end call soft key. Transfer. While on a call, you can transfer the caller to another number or extension. To transfer, press the transfer soft key to place the caller on hold. Dial the extension or number you wish to transfer to and press the send button. The call is immediately transferred to the second party. Conference. Conference calls allow you to merge two active calls together, creating a three-party call. While on a call, press More to access the second page of soft keys. Then, press the conference soft key. The initial party is placed on hold. Dial the new number or extension, push the send soft key, then wait for the new party to answer the call. Once the added party answers, press the conference button again to merge the two calls. You can end the conference by pressing the End Call soft key.